Number 1. Pelicans are the only bird that have a throat pouch covered in skin. Number 2. Pelicans are able to swim and typically search for food in the cold sea and deserts. Number 3. Pelicans catch their prey using their beak, which are among the largest of any bird and can reach up to 41 centimeters long. Number 4. When hunting for food, pelicans ride waves in groups, earning them the nickname wave riders. Number 5. Adult pelicans can fly hundreds of miles over the ocean and use sight, smell, or color to locate their foods.